Hello and welcome to today's lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be sure to join the Acquire English group on Facebook, where you can see our latest videos and ask any questions. All right, today we have routines part 3. If you haven't seen parts 1 and 2, you can find them on our YouTube channel at Acquire English, or you can find them on our Facebook page at Acquire by Novel. But if you're ready for part 3, please listen to my conversation with my coworker, Tuan.
Do you want to grab a drink after work?
Sorry, I can't today. I'm going to the gym.
How often do you go to the gym?
It depends on the week. I usually go 3 or 4 days a week. How about going for a drink tomorrow?
Sounds good.
Okay, so let's focus on one very short part of this conversation. I'm going to the gym.
How often do you go to the gym?
So today we're going to talk in detail about this how often question. So Tuan asked, how often do you go to the gym? Let's focus on the verb there, go. How often do you go? That is the present tense. So anytime we use this how often question, it's going to be how often do you go? How often do you play? How often do you eat? How often do you do something? So we want to use the present tense there. And really what we're asking is, do you do this once a week? Do you do this twice a week? Do you do this 3 times a week? Do you do this every day? Or maybe it's once a month or twice a month. We talked about how to say this more in detail in part 2 of this series. So if this part is still unclear, please go back and take a look at that. But for now, let's take a look at some examples about how to use how often. How often do you cook? How often do you go out to eat? Okay, it's quiz time. Let's see if you can do it. How often do you exercise? Did you get it? You also could have said, how often do you work out? Or how often do you lift weights? Let's try another one. How often do you get your hair done? Did you get it? You could also say, how often do you go to the hair salon? Or, how often do you get a haircut? How often do you fight with your girlfriend? You could also say, how often do you argue with your girlfriend? Or, how often do you argue with your boyfriend? How often do you speak English? Thank you so much for watching today's video, and we look forward to hearing from you in the YouTube comments and on our Facebook page. So if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thanks again. See you next time.